senior Congress leader and Rajya Sabha MP Digvijay Singh, who has triggered a fresh political controversy with an unexpected praise for the BJP and the RSS. Sharing an old image of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on X, Digvijay Singh highlighted the organizational strength of the RSS and BJP. After mega controversy, Digvijay Singh clarified that he just praised the organization and he continues to oppose Modi and the RSS. Here's a detailed report on what happened.
Another senior Congress leader questions Rahul's leadership. Former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh and current Congress MP Digvijay Singh stirred up fresh political controversy on platform X. Sharing a black and white photo of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from 1996 and praising the organizational strength of the BJP and the RSS. He highlighted how a grassroots level worker who once sat on the floor could grow within the RSS-BJP organization and become the Chief Minister and then the Prime Minister. Not only this, he even tagged Gandhis and Kharge in the post, indicated that he wanted to send a message directly to the High Command. Amid a mega row, Digvijay Singh clarified that he only intended to praise the organization.
मैं संगठन का पक्षधर हूँ, आरएसएस और मोदी जी का विरोधी हूँ। तो आपको गलतफहमी है, मैंने तारीफ की है संगठन की। If you see my tenure as a PCC president, I have functioned only through a decentralized manner.
But that's not all. A week earlier, he sought organizational reforms within the Congress and took a swipe at Rahul Gandhi while urging for a more pragmatic, decentralized functioning. Digvijay added that it was not easy to convince Rahul, a post that's now pinned on his profile. The BJP was quick to pounce on Digvijay Singh's post and took potshots at Rahul Gandhi.
कांग्रेस हमारी वैचारिक रूप से विरोधी पार्टी नहीं है, वो विचारहीन पार्टी है. कांग्रेस इज फंडामेंटली अ लीडर बेस्ड पावर ओरिएंटेड पार्टी. वी आर कार्डर बेस्ड आइडियोलॉजी ओरिएंटेड पार्टी. जैसे पानी के बगैर मछली छटपटाती है, वैसे सत्ता के बगैर कांग्रेस छटपटा रही है.
However, Congress continues to say that the grand old party's organizational structure remains strong as always.
कांग्रेस का संगठन सृजन का कार्यक्रम पूरे देश में चल रहा है. बहुत ही सफलतापूर्वक अधिकांश राज्यों में ये कार्यक्रम को हमने अमल किया है. आने वाले दिनों में बाकी राज्यों में भी ये कार्यक्रम अमल होगा. संगठन के माध्यम से ही इन कार्यक्रम को और अन्य संघर्ष की जो जितने भी हमारे मुद्दे हैं, चाहे वो एसआईआर हो, वोट चोरी हो, इन सभी मुद्दों को लेकर जनता के बीच में संगठन के माध्यम से जाएंगे.
Earlier, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor also made headlines for skipping Congress meetings and praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi repeatedly. Does the Congress then need to reassess Rahul Gandhi's leadership? Or is the dissent merely background noise?
Digvijay's post came right before the CWC meeting. And with this, the murmurs in the Congress are growing louder that having lost the momentum it gained in 2024, the party needs an organizational boost and revamp to be battle-ready for a challenging 2026. With video journalist Jagannath, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.